Espero que lo estéis pasando muy bien y que lo continuéis pasando bien y que Jorge estará encantadísimo de recibiros aquí. Dicho esto, os voy a presentar a Ruth Ballatz. Es el director de Bentley en Europa. Nos ha hecho el grandísimo honor de pegarse una panzada de kilómetros para llegar aquí a tiempo. ¿Vale? Y
Paris, and I used to do Valencia landed in Barcelona, and I had a good driver who took me here with all challenges. I'm really delighted to be here. But I have to tell you that we are constantly listening to you. The manufacturer having a range of hybrid vehicles, having Flying Spur as well as Bentayga hybrid as part of the portfolio. Without further ado, because I see that everybody is super excited about this car and potentially about the other two.
Oh, wow.